personal development, self-improvement. Do not make this mistake I've been making when it comes to personal development. When you have, these books that you are reading and studying, I highly recommend you should hone in on one book. Study that book in full depth and understanding. Read the book over and over again. Make notes in your notepad. Highlight, underline certain sentences in that notebook. What stands out for you? Ask yourself, how can you get the best information out of this book so that you can put certain things into practicality to see some kind of change or transformation. When you read a book, you must make sure you are getting the meaty, the juicy work or sentences or phrases out of that book so that you can sum it up into your own conclusion and ask yourself, should I test and try this, or should I test and try another section in this book? So hone into that one book. Read that book over and over until you understand, in full depth what the author means. Then when you have come up with your own conclusion, now you are doing things out of your own conclusion, out of your own, work ethic, or understanding how you can put certain things the author wrote into practicality. If this was helpful, thank you and you're welcome.